Hey everybody, it's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In this video, this is just a simple video that I want to get feedback from our current subscribers. So, a lot of our subscribers on our Facebook group and YouTube channel seem to have a little bit of a problem with their personal credit. They're trying to build business credit up, but they also have a problem with personal credit. So, this is just kind of a video to put out there to see if you guys can comment on this video if you want me to put out videos about how you can fix your personal credit and how you can boost your personal credit scores. I've been in the credit repair business also since 2008 until now. I started this channel for building business credit, but like I said, I'm getting a lot of comments and people in the Facebook group asking on how to build their personal credit up as well. So if you guys would like me to create some videos on how to build your personal credit up and how to clean up your personal credit, please comment below, because I'm not going to make videos about personal credit and cleaning up personal credit and boosting personal credit if I don't have an audience for it. So, like I said, this is for my current subscribers. If you guys need help with that or want to see content that I put out about personal credit, boosting personal credit, cleaning up personal credit, comment below and let me know, yes, Josh, put out that content. And then I'll start putting out content for personal credit as well, on how to clean up your personal credit, tricks, tips, things I know, as well as building up your personal credit. So just let me know. All right. I appreciate it. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.